as hell. I've been all the way to BFE. She said if I tried, I could go straight there tonight. I wish someone would explain it well. Where the hell's hell? I've been all the way to BFE. She said if I tried, I could go straight there tonight. I wish someone would explain it well.